In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change units in Canva, a handy tool for designers and creatives who want to adjust their canvas size accurately. This tutorial is perfect for anyone using Canva Pro, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your design in Canva. Once you have your project on the screen, take a look at the top menu bar. Here you'll find an option that reads Resize. This button is an exclusive feature available to Canva Pro users, offering the flexibility to not just change dimensions, but also to transform the design into various formats. Hover over the Resize button and give it a click. Doing so opens up the resize options for your design, putting you in better control of how your final output appears. Next, let's explore these resizing options further. Click on Custom Size. This opens a field where you can manually input new dimensions for your design. You'll notice a drop down menu here, and this is where you can change the units of measurement to suit your needs. Canva usually defaults to pixels, which is great for digital projects, but sometimes you might need something different, like inches or centimeters, especially for print designs. Choosing the right unit is key to making sure your design comes out exactly as you envision it, whether for a website header or a poster-sized artwork. Now let's set the dimensions. In the width and height fields, simply type in the desired measurements for your canvas. For example, if you're creating a flyer, you might enter a width of 8.5 inches and a height of 11 inches. Ensure you have selected the correct units to avoid any mix-up in size. Precision is your friend here, so take your time and double check your entries. Inputting these numbers allows Canva to reshape your canvas to exact specifications, providing a neat preview of how your design will look. With your size determined and units properly set, the final step is execution. Look for the Resize this design button and click it. This action will apply your new dimensions to the current project, allowing you to continue crafting your design with the new size in mind. Canva seamlessly resizes everything, and you can review to see if elements need adjustment or rearrangement to fit the new format smoothly. And there you have it. Your Canva design now matches the exact dimensions and units you need. This ease of resizing on Canva Pro ensures that your projects meet specific requirements, boosting both creativity and productivity. Feel free to experiment with different sizes and units as your projects demand, and enjoy the flexibility Canva offers in tailoring your designs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps make your design process more efficient and precise.